Did you know exfoliating in the morning can help your skin absorb moisture better all day long? This sugar scrub does exactly that, and it smells like sunshine. Hi, I'm Tessa from Simply Earth. We formulated this golden morning sugar scrub to be an energizing, skin softening start to your day. It's made with real, natural ingredients that gently exfoliate and hydrate. No synthetic fragrances, no fillers, just clean, effective care. The result? Smooth, glowing skin and a fresh citrus scent that helps you wake up happy. Here's what you'll need to make your golden morning sugar scrub. From your Simply Earth box or simplyearth.com, grab 1/3 cup solid coconut oil. This gives this scrub a creamy texture that melts into your skin, leaving it deeply nourished. 2 teaspoons fractionated coconut oil. This helps keep the scrub soft and easy to scoop while adding lightweight hydration. 18 drops blood orange essential oil, bright, cheerful, and energizing. Perfect for waking up both your skin and your senses. 6 drops Cypress Essential Oil. This adds a clean, grounding note that balances the sweetness of the citrus and helps you feel centered. From your home, grab 1 cup sugar. Provides gentle exfoliation to smooth rough, dry skin and reveal a fresh glow. An 8-ounce jar to store your scrub and keep it ready for your morning routine. Together, these ingredients create a scrub that smooths, softens, and energizes. A little morning ritual your skin will love. Now let's put it all together. In a bowl, combine your solid coconut oil and fractionated coconut oil. If your coconut oil is too firm, you can warm it for just a few seconds to soften. Stir until they reach a soft, creamy texture. Next, add your sugar and mix until it's fully combined. You want every grain lightly coated in oil. It should look fluffy, not greasy. Then, stir in your blood orange and Cypress Essential Oils. These two work beautifully together. The blood orange adds that bright and happy scent, while the cypress grounds with a clean, spa-like note. Once everything's mixed, spoon the scrub into your jar and label it. To use, just massage a small amount onto damp skin in the shower. Then rinse away for a smooth, glowing skin that smells like a sunny morning. Pretty easy, right? And this is just one of the recipes inside the January Simply Earth recipe box. It comes with the essential oils, labels, and step-by-step recipe cards to help you make natural, toxin-free body care products at home. Plus, when you subscribe, you get a big bonus box with reusable supplies that you can use again and again. Let's test this out. I love how exfoliating the sugar is. It's not a harsh exfoliant, it's a nice and soft exfoliant. And the smell of it, oh, that smell is so great. It's really bright and just a great way to wake up. Really energizing. And the coconut oil I can already feel is moisturizing my skin. I get dry skin in winter, and this would be really helpful for preventing awful dry skin. This is really nice. It's exfoliating and moisturizing at the same time, and it smells so bright. When you try this recipe, let me know. I love seeing your versions of our recipes. You can find this recipe and more inside the Simply Earth recipe box and at simplyearth.com. Take a moment for yourself today, even if it's just one scrub and a deep breath. See you in the next DIY.